friends. So I just got off of work, and it's like 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning right now. I'm very tired, but I'm also not tired. So we're gonna go ahead and open up one of my advent calendars. This is the Essence advent calendar. Make my heart sparkle advent calendar. This advent calendar is really cool because you have like all these layers. Like, what? This is gonna be so much fun. So we need to open it up and find day 1 right here. Fun. I think this was like $40 on the Ulta website. I'll put the price over here so you guys get that price. Okay, so it looks like the first thing we got is a pH reacting lip glow. Oh, okay. Stains the lips pink according to the skin's individual pH value. Oh, that's pretty. Let's see. I don't know if you can see pink right there. It's very pretty. I like that a lot. All right. So we got a sparkly pink lip, pH reacting lip gloss with a pretty Christmas tree on it. Very nice. Very nice indeed. First item, first day, coming in with an amazing product. That was really cool. All right. Day number 2 in the top. Ooh. Oh, okay. Maybe. This is a creamy eyeliner. Okay. All right, we have a thick side. We got an eyeliner with a thick side. Since creamy eyeliner with a thick side, and then is this the thin side? Oh no, that's a twisty thing? Does it not have... What? Oh, that's the actual eyeliner, and then that's the brush. Okay. Alright, super black creamy eyeliner to create a smoky wing. Twist the bottom part and then dip the brush into the black texture. Apply all over the laugh line and gently smudge with the brush for soft shadow liner look. Okay. Alright. I'm not very good at doing eyeliner. I just rolled across the room, but we'll go get it later. The little thingies say stuff underneath them. How fun. Alright, we need day 3. Day 3 is in the second level. I just love this as multi-level. That is just so much fun. Okay. This is Soft Touch Eyeshadow Shader Brush. Okay. And it's in a package. I do wear eyeshadow when I can. Oh, how pretty. Oh, it is soft. So we got a pretty little eyeshadow brush. Yay. I'll have to try it out and see if it's better than the one that I've been using. Probably not, but you never know. Alright, 3. Day 4. In the top. What do we have in day 4? This is, ooh, silky eyeshadow topper. Huh. Goes on top of your eyeshadow with rose gold shimmer. I've never even heard of eyeshadow topper before, but okay, sure. Go off. All right, let's take a look. Ha ha ha. See if I can get a little. Okay. It does make my hand look at the top there, so. You see it? It makes that part of my hand super shiny. Kind of hard to see in camera, but oh well. Sorry, I can't afford a better camera right now. Probably because I spend all my money on advent calendars. What? Who said that? Nothing. Nothing at all. Alright, day 5. It's on the bottom layer. Why do I do this to myself? Mini white glitter nail polish. It's getting into Christmas, so maybe I can do a white, although I don't usually do white nails. Alright, so we got a pretty white glittery nail polish. Okay. Alright, day 6, also down here. This is a pH reacting blush. Okay. Oh wow. Pink cheeks. Apply and blend with finger. Okay. Oh, it is a nice pink. It's kind of a nice rosy, purpley pink. For whatever reason, pink shows up really well in my camera. Oh well. Okay, I got some nice pH reacting stuff. Alright, day 7. A lash separator. Okay. Comes in a little bag to separate and define after application of mascara. Okay. So you apply the mascara and then you use the lash separator. How do you use? I've never even heard of a lash separator. What do? Oh, it's a little like comb for your eyelash. Okay. Sure. It's a little eyelash comb. It's a comb for your lashes. And it folds back in. Because you need to take that on the go. Just in case. Got my eyelash separator. Heck yeah. Alright, we're on day 8. There's some cool stuff in here. Alright, let's take a look. This is eye lighting pen. Sparkling inner eye accents. Or brow highlighting. So in case you don't know, most eye styles, it goes best if you like do the corner of your eye bright and then you kind of work light to dark. But different eye designs and do different things. Let's see if I can. Is there a spot left on this hand that I haven't contaminated? Just a little one. Well, that's a nice little just white kind of highlight. Can you see it down there? I think you can. It's a nice little white kind of inner eye. You just touch your inner eye or you can do your brows. It's nice. Just a nice little highlight for your eyeshadow. Makes the rest of your colors look more pigmented. Okay. Day 9. Ooh. What do we have in here for day 9? Come out. Come out. I said come out. It doesn't want to come out. It doesn't want to come out. It's a little tube. It says nail repair balm with caring sunflower oil and squalene. Nail balm with argan oil regenerated and nourished nails and cuticles. Okay? So this is to like reinforce your nails and stuff. I can down with that. Not bad at all. Okay. Next product. Day 10. Right up here. Still in the top one. Jeez. Okay. This is lip scrub pad. I think this product is self-explanatory, but I'll read the note on the back. The silicone tool gently smooths and prepares the lips for your favorite lip product. Moisten your lips with water, a lip balm or lip scrub, and gently massage your lips in a pad in a small circular motions. After each use, rinse with water and allow to air dry. Okay, so we got a cool little lip scrubby pad. I need to take better care of my lips. I've been trying. Years worth of damage from me not caring about them in high school. Alright, day 11. What do we have here? This is a lipstick crayon. Not the biggest fan of lipstick crayons, but you know. Here it is. Essence lipstick crayon. Nice and dark. Let's go ahead and do right here. Ooh, wow, well, it's good quality at least. That's a little bit dark for me. I don't usually go that dark, but oh well. We'll try it out one day. Day 12. 12? 12. Well, yeah, because that was day 11. Day 12. 12. Am I missing day 12? One of you sees it. Oh, it's up here. I did miss it. Okay. Maybe. Lip liner. Okay, I think it's about the same color. Yeah. With menthol for slight tingling effect. Do not apply on irritated skin. Yeah, it's about the same color. Okay. Day 13. Down at the bottom, we got our nice mini red nail polish to go with the red and white Christmas theme. Hooray! Right, so we got a shiny red and a shiny white nail polish. Day 14. At the top, we got another brush. This one is Soft Touch Eyebrow Spoolie Brush. It's something to do my eyebrows. I suck at doing my eyebrows. I need to get better at doing my eyebrows. Oh, wow. Okay. Here. Wow. That's a brush. That's a weird looking brush. It's for my eyebrows though. See? Take good care of my eyebrows. Alright. A little eyebrow brush. Why not? Day 15. Where's day 15? Oh, here it is. Okay. It's another pencil. This is Precise Kajal pencil. What? What? What is it for? Precise Kajal pencil. What does that mean? Well, I swatched it on my hand. It's the darkest color. What is it? Precise Kajal pencil. Does it say on the back what that is? No, I'm just supposed to know what Kajal pencil is. What does that mean? I don't know what it means. It's fine. We'll just keep going. What day was that? I don't even remember anymore. Okay, day 15. Day 16 is right next door. another tube. Hand care treatment with shea butter and vitamin E. That's easy enough. It's just a hand lotion. Hand lotion. Lotion for your hands. With a cute gingerbread on it. Is it scented at all or just lotion? Oh, okay. It's just got an interesting scent. Okay. Day 17. Oh, that one's supposed to be tingly on your lips. Is a little bit tingly on your hand, which makes sense. All right, day 17. Ooh, lip tint. Ooh, love lip tint. Oh, this. Okay. All right. Okay. I swashed it. Swatched it on my hand. Stop auto-focusing on my face. Okay, there we go. Here we go. We got an Essence lip tint. I actually don't mind this too much. It's better than I thought. It's still a little bit dark. I like to go a little bit lighter, but to each their own. Okay, day 17, day 18. Oh, 18 is a big one. Oh, we got the makeup bag. Okay. We got a makeup bag. Will all this makeup fit in here? I don't think so. I don't think you're supposed to put all of it in there, but we got a sparkling heart makeup bag. It's not very big, is it? I guess we can try to fit some of the lip stuff in there at least. Okay, 18, 19. Okay, day 19. Concealer Sponge Duo. Okay. Let's take a look at our little sponges. Oh, they're so tiny. They're so itty bitty little concealer sponges. Okay. Okay. Alright. Little itty bitty cute little sponges. Alright, day 20. Oh, heck yeah. Now we're getting into some good stuff. Baked highlighter. This actually looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. Went on smooth. Okay. So I kind of swashed it in the middle right here. Let me see if I can get this to not autofocus on my face. Right there. I actually really like it. I think it looks nice. It's a nice tone for a highlighter, and it's a nice size highlighter too. I'm not gonna lie. I'm very happy with this advent calendar so far. I haven't even heard of this brand before, but it's great. I'm loving everything in it so far. All right, we need day 21. Now I hope they do the thing where they save the best for the last, but we'll see. Okay, day 21. Essence Mini Iridescent Nail Top Coat. So we got our nail polish. So we got our nail top coat, and it's just a nice kind of rosy, iridescent, sparkly kind of thing. Not bad. Day 22. It's the last one on this level. And we have dun dun dun. It is a primer. Okay, so we're getting like a complete makeup set from here. So that's not a bad at all. Okay, complete primer. Nice. And what did it say? Because all the doors say stuff. Snowflakes twirl in the winter swirl. Yeah, it says nonsensical stuff behind a lot of the doors. Just random wintry sayings. All right, day 23. All right, we're on the last day of the middle level. Pretty sure it's a lip thing. I can't read this. Shiny lip plumper. So we got a shiny lip plumper. And it's pink on pink, so it's kind of hard to read the tube, but yeah, that's what it is. already. We're on our last day, friends. Day 24 in the Advent. We haven't gotten the eyeshadow palette yet, which means, yeah, it's a metallic eyeshadow palette. I saved the best for last. Oh, I saved the eyeshadow palette for last. It's usually the most exciting thing. Alrighty, so we got an Essence metallic eyeshadow palette. Ooh, ah, ooh. Alrighty, let's take a look. And I was wondering why a lot of this stuff seems so small, but I see now they want it to fit in the makeup bag. Okay, so we're gonna go on the inside of my arm. That one went on a little weird, but okay, sure. Oh, okay. I'm swashing. I'm swashing colors so you guys can see all the colors that come in this Advent calendar's main day. That one does not want to go down very good. I'm having to swash it multiple times. Da-na-na-na. I only have 5 fingers. Okay. I swashed. Oh, I realized I did not do this right. Hang on. Oh, I'm gonna have to go like this so you can see. Do you see all the colors? Do you see all the colors? Do you see the colors? Do you see them all, friends? Don't know why I'm doing that voice. I'm so sorry. Okay. But that is the eyeshadow palette that comes in the Essence Make My Heart Sparkle Advent Calendar. And that was actually a really nice Advent calendar. I mean, it included literally almost like a full makeup kit you need to do like do a basic look, a whole face. It gave you primer, nail polish, nail topper, weird things that I normally wouldn't use, but I totally would be open to using. We got a brush, we got an eyebrow thingy, we got a lip scrubber, we got a highlighter, we got an accent, we got a hand cream. This was actually a really nice box. And I like most of the stuff in here. The colors are so pretty. Like, I actually like them, and I'm actually going to use them. Well done. Essence Make Your Heart Sparkle Advent Calendar. I like this one. This one is a win. Okay, this is a great Advent calendar. I am not even going to lie. Well done. Well done. Oh, we should do the thing where I show you all the stuff we got in it. Probably. Ha ha ha. Hang on while I show you what we got in this Advent calendar. So here is everything that came in the Essence Make My Heart Sparkle Advent calendar. As you can see, we got actually a pretty, it's 24 items, and actually they're like pretty nice little items. I'm not mad at this, so yay. Not bad at all. Not bad at all.